Protective styling can either make or break your hair if not done correctly, and also the way we take down our protective style. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I overcame some of the challenges I went through in taking down my protective style, because of course I went through some challenges because my hair has stayed in for 4 weeks, guys. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I did in order to help me take down my braids without necessarily breaking my hair. As you can see, this is 4 weeks old braids, and you can see that much growth already. But taking this out was not easy for me, guys. It was not easy. It took me a lot of patience and being gentle with my hair to be able to go through this process without breaking my hair. So guys, if you're not gentle, if you know you're not patient, then don't even attempt doing these kinds of mini braids. So what I did was to twist. I braided from the root to about halfway and then twist the remaining part of my hair so that it will be easy. That is why, as you can see, I'm unraveling it in the opposite direction from the direction I twisted my hair. Guys, if you want to leave your hair for up to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks or 2 months, you should also bear in mind that there's every tendency for your hair to begin to lock up. Because of the texture of our hair, it's very easy to lock up. That was what I noticed as I was going upward. This taking down this braid actually took me longer than I expected. So as you can see, this is my growth for 4 weeks, and I can say that is a lot of growth right there. And this was what I was able to use to take down my braids. As you can see, that's my leave-in flaxseed gel and aloe vera gel. I have a video of that in the comment section or on your screen. You can click on that. It was very difficult for me to take down the roots of my hair because it was already locking up, like I said. So that leave-in was the only way for me to soften up that part. So you would need a product that has a lot of slip and that you can use to be able to take down your protective style, especially braids. Braids are the most difficult style to take down. As you can see, the roots of my hair were already matted up. I had to just go in there with more leave-in to be able to take down that area while slightly using my fingers to detangle my hair. This is the shedding I got for that particular braid, and I'm just going to continue soaking up the roots of my hair with that aloe vera and flaxseed gel to be able to soften up that part and make it easy for me to take down. And at this point, guys, you don't want to use a comb or a brush on your hair. Please don't do that. Just use your fingers to slightly detangle your hair and twist that section back up. So guys, I'm just going to take down the rest of my hair off camera because this is definitely going to take a lot of time and I don't want to bore you guys with that whole process. This is me after a few hours. Like, guys, it took me a lot of time, but I was finally able to take down all my hair, and this is what my shedding looks like, which I will say it's okay for the 4-week period. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.